I remember when my Friday nights used to be rock and roll, going out, playing darts, having a few beers, but now I'm going out and doing day trips purely to review the DJI Action 5 Pro camera with decent microphone setup. Why should you buy the Action Pro 5? Because A, it's cheaper, B, you might not need all the features on the Action Pro 6 that I've forgotten, and C, most importantly, it gives you money to buy a good microphone. All I can say is, I like using the Action 5 Pro 5. And look, if you don't believe me, check out some random footage we took on a lovely sunny day here in Pembrokeshire. This is what it's like when you've got the worst conditions, the sun behind me pointing directly into the camera. This is with the sun in front of me, lighting up my beautiful visage. This is with me being close to the camera. You can see a little bit of a fisheye effect and my gorgeous mullet. And this is what I don't know why I'm shouting. I've got a microphone on, and this is what it looks like when I'm small. One thing about the Action camera is that you need to be a little bit away from it to focus in and not give you a great big fisheye head. That's one of the downsides of it. Although, if you're good with editing, you can put a lens correction on it. The Action 5 also has a slow-mo mode, which I've never tried before. So let's create something dramatic. No matter what camera you get, make sure you get a compatible microphone with it. You can tolerate bad video, but bad audio, no. Look, I have my muff, and I'm part of the DJI clan. I bought this DJI Mic Mini because it shows me the battery level on the camera. Because I might run out of battery once or twice. But of course, they've just released the Mic Mini 2S. But don't fall for that trap either. The best camera you've got is a one in your hand. But get yourself a decent microphone. The Action 5 has a 2x digital zoom. So this is it normal, 2x zoom, normal, zoomed in, normal, zoomed in. There's something called subject tracking, and I've generally never tried this before, so let me try my best impression of Baywatch. Old Man Baywatch, that is, the reboot. Did it track me or not? We'll find out in the edit. Why am I also doing a radio voice? If anyone wants to hire me to do a voiceover, I'll do a cameo, I suppose. If you've got nothing better to do with your time, hire me for a cameo. Instead of chucking your money down the drain, give it to me. Wise words. You might be wondering how the Action 5 Pro compares to an iPhone 14. Here is the footage from the iPhone 14 Pro Max on the middle lens, which apparently is 1x, and this is the video coming from the Action 5 Pro. Leave a comment down below what one you prefer.
That sounded really sarcastic.
Right, leave a comment down below what one you prefer.
It sounded really fed up.
Right. Leave a comment on what you prefer. Leave a comment down below. It's impossible. There's like children crashing it. Or what we need now is a dog barking or something. You can't record it. Anyway, leave a comment down below on what you prefer. 14 Pro Max, the Action Cam. More camera testing. Check out the reflection on this fish. And then some mug has gone in like, God, oh, I know, but it's shameless advertising when it's supposed to be for the ocean and stuff. What's this? Smoking dough. You should be ashamed of yourself. Oh, hang on. Congratulations, you have won 1 smoked biscuit per post and tag on your socials. Bring in house to redeem. I stand corrected. This is when positive littering can happen. And to be honest, it's on recyclable paper, but well, there's a video coming up. Smoke and dough whales. Sweet. I realise there's one point in this camera I haven't reviewed, and that's the audio quality. So this is what it's like with me using the DJI Mic Mini 2. And this is what it sounds like coming through the camera audio. What I would say is, even if you're not going to buy yourself a microphone, by a little dead moth or wind farm or dead cat or whatever it's called, you won't regret it. As you can probably hear now, there's a little breeze comes blowing over. And if you're wondering what super night vision mode does, it's about 9 o'clock at night, the sun is going down, and these are the shots you're probably going to be wanting to show that you live in an idealistic van lifestyle. Should you buy the Action Pro 6 over the 5? The 6 is £379 and the 5 is £305. So what you get is a slightly bigger sensor, slightly bigger f-stoppy stuff, a slightly lighter, slightly bigger framing, and if you need to know anything more than that, then go for the 6. But if you're just thinking, I want a decent action cam, save yourself the 74 quid, invest in a microphone. People can tolerate bad video quality. What they won't tolerate is bad audio. And a bonus tip, make sure you got a muff or a dead cat on it, because nobody likes a hairy muff or wind shear. Only on a van life thing. Like, share, subscribe. And DJI, if you want me to stop reviewing your products, I'm easily bought off. Just send me the competitors and I'll ruin their product line. This is what I've chosen to do for a career. This. 49 years old and I've become performing monkey. I was all ready to sit down. It's like, you know, it's Friday night. Normally I'm thinking, oh, I'm going to go with spoons. That's what I'm going to do. Just sit there, have a few pints. Do you know what one of the most exciting things after we came back from doing our video shoot? My sort of thing was, I loaded up DaVinci Resolve and he goes, oh,